Good morning. So, ooh, my lighting is terrible right now. But we are on day 2 of Vlogmas. You know what? That's how I know I don't participate in activities like this on social media, because I honestly thought it was the whole 31 days. I've been saying it for about a week now. Like the 31 days of Vlogmas. It is not. It is only 25. I was going to be given 6 extra days and didn't even know it. So, but I'm glad to know that it's only 25. So, like, my list that I have is halfway completed. Okay, so I'm real happy about that. But what am I doing today? Dressed, about to go to the chiropractor. Now I gotta come back home, wash brushes, and I need to look for some Christmas pajamas because my sister is throwing a Christmas party. If she want all of us to be in pajamas. I'm like, okay. I gotta wear pajamas, so now I gotta go buy some. And Christmas themed. Okay, so this is what I have on. Just something casual. This shirt is from Shein. It says baby girl on it, but my phone is in the way. And then I got these gray sweatpants from Rue 21. I think I got these last year. Yeah. I don't know if they low rise or not, but they just fit me that way. Like, I have hips, but my waist is kind of small. But yeah, they real comfortable. So we just casual and cute today. And I'm put a hoodie on because, yeah, me wearing a bra during the winter or at all, it's just not an option. So it's a privilege of having, itty bitty titty committee. We can do that. Okay, so, but I'm putting a hoodie on though. So y'all already know the drill. I am in the car. Went to the chiropractor. I know my body being in pain for the last 2 days. I don't know why, but I'm like really over it. But yeah, we had to make a couple stops at the store. Then we'll go home, fix some food. I need to start bringing my tripod with me when I leave the house so I can stop holding my phone. Still looking for a camera. I got one from Amazon, but I did not like it at all. And I have a DSLR camera, but that's for more so like shooting tutorials and taking pictures. I need a small camera to carry around with me. So yeah, but nothing is really going on. Just here, and I'm just sitting here. At least it feels good outside. It was like 70 degrees. It's supposed to be there today and tomorrow, and then it's going to get back cold again. I hate St. Louis weather. It's just real bipolar, and I mean real bipolar. Like, it's December. Why is it 70 degrees outside? It ain't like we live in the South or anything, so I understand. Not complaining, but still. No, it's pneumonia weather. Right?
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you go. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's gonna be down. Wanna be down.
Yo, hear me now. Anybody do that dance, you're nasty up, and them nasty up. fix things, quick things, whipping. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Clothes when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching ching. Inna the Louis V vest. Girl want with his squeeze silicone and real bless. Can I blow a breeze from the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Ease out. Easy,
We're trying to protect your relationship with him. Handcuffs on. I need to be able to come out sooner than see him beat up.
Okay, it is 6:10. I think I'm done for today. I'm about to end this vlog. I really didn't do too much today, so this vlog is kind of short and random. Yeah. So I finished washing all my brushes. Well, my client's brushes anyway. I didn't even get to my personal brushes, so I guess I'll do that tomorrow. I was looking for some pajamas, but it's kind of hard. It's gonna take a little bit more time. And yeah, it's about to chill out, finish watching Our Kind of People. If you haven't watched the show yet, it is really good. It come on Fox on Wednesdays. Yeah, the show is really, really good, so you should watch it. I gotta watch Insecure. I didn't watch it Sunday. And I think that's it. Yeah, so I'll see y'all tomorrow. And I don't know what I'm gonna do. It's either be a makeup tutorial or my skincare routine, but I think I'm doing my skincare routine since I haven't done it like at all as being an influencer. So yeah, maybe looking forward to that. I cannot talk. So yeah, I'm gonna do my skincare routine. Be looking forward to that. Okay.